everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am gonna review plants and plants growing system, and I'm gonna grow tomatoes for the very first time in my life. So I'm pretty bad with plants, and these growing systems are basically my only hope in my entire life because every single plant I ever owned is dead, and I don't know how and why. I'm just really bad with plants. So all the plants I used to have around my house are all fake, and now I just got a few real plants just to test out these growing systems. So I'm gonna review today 3 products, which I've got 3 of them from AliExpress.com platform. This is the biggest shopping platform and they are amazing. I'm shopping on AliExpress at least 10, if not 15 years already, and I am a big fan. And right now this is AliExpress Anniversary Sale. And we all know that AliExpress is a better choice and better price. Their prices are so affordable, they're getting the best reviews. And by the way, all the 3 products, I expected it to arrive in 2 weeks, which all of them arrived in around 5 to 7 days, which that was really surprising. So the shipping is pretty fast. So I know for sure that AliExpress worked really hard for the last few years to improve their shipping speed, and they absolutely did a great job because all these 3 products arrived up to 7 days, and that's a great improvement. So at the AliExpress Anniversary Sale, it's once a year and it starts from the 18th of March till the 27th of March, and all the products are gonna go up to 70% off. You are so very welcome to use the code, which are gonna be all in my description box. There are a code for $20 off and $10 off, depends on how much you're gonna shop. So if you're gonna shop for $100, you're gonna get $20 off. If you're gonna shop for $50, you're gonna get a $10 off with the coupon codes that I'm gonna leave you down below in the description box to this video of mine. So be so very sure to use these codes to get an extra discount. The quantity of the products is limited, so hurry up. Better show up before it is too late. And well guys, let's get started with the review. Here is one of the products that I'm so very excited about. This is a piano plant pot, and I also got an entire growing system with an LED light with an adjustable height of the lamp. Well, can't wait to show you all of these. And well, let's get started. So guys, I'm so excited to review these 3 products today. So all of the products worked really well for me, and they're all low grade prices, way lower than you can find anywhere else, and they all have a great customer reviews. Allow me to start from this smart music flower pot, and it's so very cool. It is full of fun music and lighting functions. It's like a small flower pot, and you basically just put any type of a flower inside, any type of plant inside, and then you can connect via Bluetooth from any type of a device to this one, or you can just play and build in music, as well as it is have a different lighting abilities, and it's just so very cute. It's cute eggshell, it's simple, it's user-friendly, it's very natively to understand how it works like. It's like a simple pot shape, and it's so very cute. You can plant seeds and grow something from the 0 to a full grown plant, or you can just put a ready plant and just keep it in this pot and just basically use it as a pot, because this is what it was made for. It's like a little friend, and it's really cool. It have different interactive modes. It has a piano playing mode once you gently touch the plants, and it is responding to you with a piano-like music just as it communicates with the plants. So it all have sensors, and it feels the plant. It actually communicates with your plant. There are different scenes available with different type of music to choose from. Well guys, check it out. Every time I'm gonna touch the leaves, it's gonna play a piano. Look at that. It can be used for any type of occasion. It's a great gift idea. You can use it for Christmas, birthday, whatever. It works as a speaker, so you can connect to this one from any type of a device to play any type of music or any type of other stuff from this one. And it's actually representing our rings and our wall and our band, our tie all together. But at the end of the day, he decided to go for the 2700s, and the one with diamonds is 5300. Well guys, all the links are going to be down below in the description box, as well as for this specific smart music flower pot. And guys, be so very sure to use my exclusive coupon code. The next product is this smart Wi-Fi garden irrigation controller. This is an automatic irrigation system which can be controlled through a smart application and can be put on timer, on scale, schedule, whatever. You can create any type of DIY automatic drip irrigation for your plants, and it is a self-watering system with timer kit. It comes with 2 pumps, so you have pump A and pump B, and each pump can do up to 6 plants. It comes as a whole entire system, and you just build it the way it works for you. It's a total customizable and DIY type of a device. You can set a specific watering schedule for your plants, and it's so very cool. It's simple to use and it have different intelligent features. This device provides an easy and efficient way to maintain a well-watered garden of yours. I truly love the app control. You can choose to use only one of the pumps, you can choose to use both of the pumps, whatever works for you. As well as you can connect a few devices to a single app and you can use them all together. Obviously, you can remote control this device through the smart application because it have the Wi-Fi capability. The setup process is easy and user-friendly. It's very native and understandable how to use this one. It was especially designed to cater to the needs of flowers and plants by offering a dual pump usage. Through an automatic watering, you can ensure that your plants receive the right and correct amount of water by contributing the healthier way of watering your plants, as well as even more vibrant garden. And guys, once again, the link for this smart Wi-Fi garden irrigator is gonna be down below in the description box of mine, and don't forget to use the coupon codes. Well, let's move on to the most favorite product of this review, and it's this Hydroponics growing system with LED grow light. This one will help your plants to grow really well and really fast. So it have a specially developed LED light which will help your seeds to grow faster. So this one is specifically for seeds. It's not for ready plants. So you are simply plant the seeds and you are gonna grow whatever you want. So I choose to grow tomatoes, and well, this is a soilless smart planting machine. Have to be connected to an electricity, and it is gonna create your personal garden just inside your home. So very cool. It's non-toxic, no soil pollution, it no pesticide residues, and it's no any type of heavy metal pollution. It works with an eco-friendly cotton, the sponge made of a bio-charcoal mud, and it is a non-toxic and pollution free. It is ensuring a natural green garden. It's safe and healthy for your plants, and it's actually safer and healthier than any other ordinary sponge to grow seeds on. Up to 12 plants can be planted at one time. Any type of plants, herbs, vegetables, salad vegetables, flower, fruits, and so very on. This system can be used indoors or outdoors, whatever works for you, in your garden, on the terrace, in the backyard, inside of your house, or even at the campsite. This is a hydroponics technology, and thanks to this hydroponic system for home, you can get the most out of your plants. This hydroponics planter is a must-have for any home, garden, or office. It's so much fun to grow your own vegetables. And thanks to this hydroponic growing system, it's gonna be way more of energy efficient. And thanks to the technology, it's gonna work way better and even faster. It's very easy to install and to assemble it all together. Now, guys, I would really love to go through all the steps with me. So first of all, here's a quick tip. When you are planting and use seeds, you should set the light hood to the lowest possible position. Then it came with a plant food. So you have 2 bottles, A and B, and how to use them. So you need to fill the bottle of plant food A, and same for the plant food B. You can use the cap of the plant food as a measure cup. Then you should shake both of the bottles until the plant food will be completely dissolved. Then for each 5 millimeters of a mixed plant food solution A and B should be combined with 1 liter of water. So you do your math. And then the usage of this one is super simple. You just put water and the plant food into the tank, and then you install the water indicator and the cover. You should insert the plant pods into the plant containers. You should put your seeds into the plant pods and then place into the planting port of the water tank lid. And here is a tip, guys. For better results, you should soak the seeds for about 1 hour before putting them into the plant pods. After several days of using your smart garden system, the water level in the tank will decrease. When the water level do not meet the requirements of your plants, the float of the water level mark will point to minimum. This means you need to add more water. You should clean the water pump at least once a month, and then for best results, you should purchase high quality seeds only. And it is not recommended to use the sponge more than once, since it's not going to be as effective after first use. Then you have the panel on top of that. It is a touch panel with 4 different buttons. Well, guys, I am super excited about this growing system and I can't wait to see what I'm gonna grow. Guys, to see the results, follow me on Instagram, Valentine Lewis, and I'm gonna share my results on my Instagram stories once I'll get the results. And I'm gonna share the entire process of growing these tomato seeds. And oh my God, I'm so very excited. Well, guys, be so very sure to check it out. All of the links are gonna be down below in the description box, as well as the coupon codes. I've got all of these 3 products from AliExpress, and I'm a big fan of AliExpress. I shop on AliExpress for like the last 15 years, and yeah, highly recommend you guys to check it out. It's fun to grow your own plants. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know how are you doing with your plants. If you have any type of tips how to take care of your plants in the best way, how to grow your plants, how to prevent your plants from dying, because this is what's happening to me all the time, my entire life. Please let me know all the tips, all the tricks that you can share down below in the comments, and be so very sure to check these all out on AliExpress. I will leave you the event link, AliExpress Anniversary Sale, the biggest sale of the year, and I will leave you all of the links to all these 3 products down below in the description box as well as the coupon codes. Once again, $20 off if you are buying for $100, or $10 off if you are buying for $50. Guys, this is cool. Yes. Well, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. That was actually all. Be so very sure to check AliExpress Anniversary Sale out. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.